This magic box made my dead zones vanish. HiBoost 4K Mate Pro Signal Booster Full Review. Ever tried making a call from your living room only to hear nothing? Dead zones, dropped calls, buffering Netflix, and snail slow downloads are the ultimate vibe killers, especially when you're in the middle of something important or binge-worthy. Whether you're in a cozy basement, a steel-framed cabin, or even a home office in the city with mysterious signal black holes, you've likely yelled, "Why is my phone a brick?" at least once. You're juggling work, family, and the occasional doom scroll, but your signal? It just ghosted you. If staying connected feels like gambling with fate, you're not alone, and you deserve way better. Now add some spice. Crushing work deadlines, last-minute Zoom calls, or that one urgent text from your boss that never delivered. The stress builds. You move around the house like a Wi-Fi hunting zombie, chasing bars that vanish when you blink. You're spending way too much time restarting your router, repositioning antennas, or switching from Wi-Fi to cellular like it's a sport. And don't even get us started on the emergency call that failed when you really needed it. It's more than frustrating, it's exhausting. This isn't just about convenience anymore, it's about sanity, safety, and never missing out again. Enough is enough. Cue the game changer. HiBoost Cell Phone Booster 4K Mate Pro. This sleek beast isn't just a signal booster, it's a life signal reviver. With up to 70 decibel gain, support for all major US carriers, and coverage up to 8,000 square feet, it's like a cellular superhero for your home or office. Think instant relief from dropped calls and glacial data speeds. You get an intuitive LCD touchscreen, a badass SignalSupervisor app, and easy no-drill installation with a through-window cable. 2 antennas? Check. Dual indoor coverage? Boom. Whether you're in the woods or downtown, HiBoost makes your signal loud and proud. The numbers don't lie, real users report up to 4 grid bar improvements, blazing speeds, and crystal clear calls in areas once cursed by 0 bars. One reviewer called it clean, easy to use, and kinda magic. Another said, "I boosted the signal in my entire house, and even the garage." You'll love how it supports multiple devices, integrates seamlessly with 5G via DSS, and turns frustrating dead zones into productivity zones. Still skeptical? Check the app in real time, watch the signal rise, and feel your stress melt. Want to see what 8,000 square feet of boosted bliss looks like? Stick around. Here's your shot, don't miss it. This isn't some cheap plastic gimmick, it's FCC certified tech with real muscle, built for everyday heroes like you. Supplies are flying off the shelves, and when they're gone, they're gone. Thousands have already made the leap, people just like you, sick of unreliable service. Don't wait for another failed call or glitchy video stream to push you over the edge. Smash that order button now, secure your HiBoost 4K Mate Pro, and finally own your signal like a boss. Reclaim your time. Reclaim your peace. Say goodbye to dead zones, and hello to real connection. Let's go.